All right, to make a spreadsheet or downloadable PDF of your grade book, each time you put grades in until we get the scheduling figured out, you're going to put in your grades, and then down at the bottom of the center of the screen, you'll see a little picture of a printer, and it says print next to it. You're going to click print, and then choose compact mode. If it's not checked, check that box and say print with names. And it generates a account. I'm doing this in the fake school, so these aren't real student names. And then you're going to click the down arrow to download it. It automatically makes it a PDF. And you're going to say, like for this one, I did reading on 10/19 and save it. And wherever you want, desktop, downloaded files, make a folder for it. Anyway, click, and there you've got a copy of the class, super fast. Boom, boom, boom. So if you've put any new grades in, you can do it that way, and you can preserve that in case something wacky happens and the courses get revamped with new course codes.